Hey guys, if you've been to Amber Bakes Cakes Porch Bakery lately, you've noticed this guy right over here. Take a plant, leave a plant. Ignore that reflection. Anyways, we finally got started on that. And so we gutted it all out. Might get shamed for this, might not. We'll see. Who knows? It wasn't working originally, so don't hate me too much. So I decided to get some little shelves, because of course we need little shelves in there for our cute little plants to go on. And sage green to paint, because, you know, it's a good color. It's popular. We like it. So now I'm kind of thinking back and forth. Do I want to paint this? Do I not want to paint it? I kind of like the original look, but then also that doesn't really go with the aesthetic I'm going for. Like, let's spruce it up, right? Really hesitated on this part. But you know, let's do it. Then instant regret set in. But that's okay. You know, I think scruffing it up, and then after, you know, add some gold. Always add some gold. Maybe, unless you don't like gold. But added some gold, scruffed it up some more, and, you know, follow along to see how it turns out.